It's easy to get distracted by competition. When you're looking at a market full of opportunities, it is only natural to feel like you have to negotiate and compete hard to get ahead. But there are many entrepreneurs who succeed despite the competition. In my experience, these people do things differently, and they have some key strategies that they use to get ahead of the competition. And in this video, we will show you how to survive in the harsh work environment. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Hungry Dollars. Number 1. Know your competition. Find out who your competitors are, what they offer, and what their strengths and weaknesses are. This will help you find out what areas you need to compete in and give you a platform to stand out from the competition. Where are other companies better than you? What can you learn from them? Where the competition is weaker, what should you do to make the most of this opportunity? Number 2. Know your customers. You are competing to attract and retain customers, so you need to understand what your customers and potential customers value. Customer expectations can change drastically. Find out what's important to your customers now. Is it low prices, top-notch service, or the latest products? Use what you know about your existing customers to get a better understanding of what types of customers find your offerings most attractive. This will help you define your target market and the market segments in which you are most competitive. Number 3. Have your information in one place. With dedicated CRM systems, you can link your sales and marketing data with other data such as accounting, inventory, and delivery. This way, you'll know everything about a customer's relationship with your company, from whether their goods arrived on time to whether they paid late. Which CRM software is best for your business depends on what your needs are. For example, you may focus on marketing to new customer leads, or on building relationships with your most important customers and ensuring that you provide them with quality service. The most sophisticated packages offer advanced analytics and automation tools that can be especially useful if you are trying to manage a large number of contacts. Number 4. Differentiate. It's important to give your customers good reasons to turn to you rather than to competitors. Develop a unique selling proposition, USP, that addresses what customers want. It should be clear and obvious. No one should have to ask what makes you different. When you stand out from the competition, it's easier to promote your business. You can attract customers by what's special about what you offer, rather than competing on price. Number 5. Strengthen your marketing. Put more effort into telling people who you are, what you sell, and why they should buy from you. This does not have to be expensive. Cost-effective advertising ideas range from flyer distribution to social media campaigns. Try to tie it all together into a sustainable marketing campaign where you deliver the same key messages to your target customers over and over again. This way, you'll help your customers get a clear picture of what you have to offer and how you are better than the competition. And you'll make it more likely that your customers will see your marketing or remember you when they are ready to make a purchase. Number 6. Update your image. Simple actions, such as repainting your storefront, can make your business appear more modern and inviting. Take a look at your business cards, social media presence, website, brand packaging, and so on. Does your image reflect your unique selling proposition? Over time, your image can easily become outdated as customers change their requirements and competitors improve their offerings. Do things feel fresh and exciting? Or has your company grown tired? Does your image still reflect how you want to be perceived by your customers? Number 7. Take care of your existing customers. It's easy to take loyal customers for granted, but they are your competitors' target market. Do not give your customers a reason to look for other providers. Improve customer service by being more responsive to your customers' needs and expectations. Consider offering low-cost extras, such as improved credit terms, discounts, or loyalty programs. It's cheaper and easier to keep existing customers than to find new ones. Number 8. Target new markets. Selling to new markets can increase your customer base and spread your risk. Are there other potential customers similar to your current target market? Could you reach a larger audience by selling online or overseas? Make sure you tailor your offering to the different market segments. Do not assume that what has worked for your existing customers is necessarily the best approach. Make sure you know what the different customer groups really want, what the competition is currently offering them, and how you can win them over. Number 9. Be the best employer. Skilled, motivated employees are the foundation of a vibrant, growing business. To attract them, you need to do more than just pay a competitive salary. A good working environment and benefits like flexible working and structured career development often impress people more. Motivated employees care more about keeping customers happy, and customers are happy to deal with people who have a positive attitude toward the company they work for. Look to the future. Companies that plan for growth are more successful than those that are treading water. Keep track of developments in your industry, follow customer trends, and invest in new technologies. Have a clear vision where you want to be in 1, 3, and 5 years. Other companies will constantly improve their offerings. You need to do the same if you want to stay ahead of the competition. Number 11. Focus on creation, not competition. Successful entrepreneurs recognize that there are plenty of opportunities for everyone to succeed, and they do not waste their time and energy trying to outdo their competitors. So, do not spend your time and energy worrying about what the competitors are doing. Instead, focus on creating something new and innovative that will make you stand out from the crowd and grab the attention of your target audience. Number 12. Build relationships. Successful business owners and salespeople know that it's not just about closing a sale. They take time to build relationships with their customers and clients so they keep coming back. Building relationships is not just about spending more time one-on-one. It's also about understanding your customers and clients' definition of success, as well as their goals and desires. Doing so will build the relationship needed to ensure your product or service provides the right value, not just additional work. Number 13. Value over price. In today's marketplace, price is very important, but the overall value of your product or service will determine the success or failure of your business and your working relationships. Successful businesses know they will be successful if they offer a high-quality product or service at a fair price, even if their competitors have a lower price. Having the right relationship with your customers provides the insights you can use to make buying decisions. Although many small or immediate decisions are based on price, realize that critical decisions are often based on emotion and value. Number 14. Be a lifelong learner. Successful leaders never stop learning and growing. This tactic is a bit counterintuitive as it does not directly relate to sales, but it will help you develop a mindset that leads to success. Constantly learning about your customers, your field, innovations, and relationships in general will not only give you the edge you need over your competition, but it will also help you develop a genuine curiosity that will set you apart. So, if you want to succeed in your business but feel stifled by the competition, focus on these 4 things. Focus on creating, not competing. Build relationships with your customers and clients. Offer high-quality product or service at a fair price that creates tremendous value. And keep learning and growing. These strategies will help you succeed even in a crowded market. They may seem simple, but they can make a big difference in your bottom line. And now that you know how to survive in a harsh work environment, you can describe your experiences in the comment section. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Hungry Dollars, and I'll see you next time.